Ever wondered how to bridge the gap between your Cash App balance and those irresistible deals on Gate? You're not alone. Many users ask if Gate directly accepts Cash App, and the straightforward answer is no, not like you might pay with PayPal or a standard credit card. However, there's a super simple workaround, and it involves leveraging a powerful feature of Cash App, the Cash Card, which is essentially a Visa debit card. Since Gate accepts standard Visa or MasterCard debit and credit cards, your Cash Card acts as your gateway to making purchases directly from your Cash App balance. First, if you don't already have one, simply order your free Cash Card within the Cash App. It's quick to set up, and you can even get a virtual one instantly. Once you have your virtual or physical Cash Card details, head over to Gate and proceed to checkout as you normally would for any purchase. When you reach the payment section, select the credit, debit card option, then simply input your Cash Card's 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV code. And just like that, your purchase is complete, drawing funds directly from your Cash App balance, seamlessly connecting your digital wallet to your online shopping. So there you have it, a simple, effective way to pay on Gate using your Cash App. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.